Imagine your inbox as a bustling, spiral-shaped highway with emails zooming in from every direction, leaving even the GPS confused. Managing emails in such a chaotic way can seem like a wild ride. But fear not. Introducing filters, your trusty road signs. Setting up filters is like strategically placing road signs everywhere to guide every email into the correct lane, keeping things organized and ensuring a clutter-free inbox. Smart organizational filters. Sorting signs. Would you like to have a digital personal assistant that knows exactly where to put each email? For instance, if you get emails from a specific sender, this filter can automatically send them to a designated folder. It's like having a place for everything, so your inbox stays clutter-free. Efficiency boosting workflow filters. Productivity boosters. Prefer having an extra set of hands to help manage your emails efficiently? With these filters, you can set reminders, snooze emails, delete emails, or even turn them into your to-do list. Attachment filters. File handling guides. Just like a system that automatically files away your important documents, this filter efficiently stores all of your incoming attachments in your preferred online cloud storage, acting as your digital filing cabinet. To explore them, simply follow these steps. Log into your Zoho Mail account. Navigate to Settings in the top right corner. Select Filters from the left pane to access the filtering settings. In a nutshell, filters are like highway road signs for your inbox. Setting up filters helps to organize, prioritize, and manage your emails effortlessly. It's time we bid farewell to email chaos and say hello to a smoother email experience with filters. For detailed step-by-step instructions, check out our tutorial videos. As always, thanks for watching.